This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Anasturt. Looking for a one-story home in Huntersville? Look no more. Move-in ready 3-bed, 2 full baths, upgraded kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove and beautiful backsplash. Home has vaulted ceilings in great room with gas fireplace. Master bedroom has tray ceilings and upgraded master bath. 2-car garage, patio on back and easy access to I-77, shops, restaurants, and more. Roof 2018 and HVAC system 2016. Refrigerator to convey. Come see it before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.